Today, in literally 4 minutes, I'm going to show you how to draw an apple. So first I'm drawing the contour and I'm also doing some areas for the future highlights of where the colors will be changing. So as you can see, the apple is like a mix of red and a little bit of yellow and green. So I'm just gonna draw all of this with the ink pen and give the apple a shape, and then also highlight those areas. You don't need to do it, but that's just how I do it for the visual purpose. So now it's time to add the color. So I start with the pure red, and I'm just very loosely with lots of water. So I'm just adding the red bits of the apple. Later on, you will see when the color dries, it will be less saturated than what you see now. So it will be slightly faded out. So it will be very light variation of red. So that's the first layer. It's okay. Later on, you'll be adding more and more layers to that. I'm also keeping the white areas where I will be doing a bit later the yellow and green bits of the apple. So now when the first layer of red is done, so I'm just gonna enhance it. I'm using two reds. One is pure red, the other one is like a slightly different tone of red. And yeah, so now I'm adding also the yellow bits, yellow and light green. So as you can see, I'm doing it very loosely. I'm mixing the colors up. So it's a 4-minute project. So basically, I'm not spending a lot of time on it. It's very expressive and very loose and almost like an experiment. And I think that's what makes that apple so vivid, so colorful, as you will see once I finish this sketch. So I'm adding bits of green and bits of yellow, and I'm putting the colors on top of each other. I'm also mixing them up on my palette. So in the middle of the apple, you see this brown left over from the branch. So I'm just adding that, and also you can see it's a bit darker there in the middle of the apple. So I'm also adding the shadow. So the shadow is darker closer to the apple, and then it slightly fades out on the edges. And also the bottom of the apple, you can see the red is much darker over there. So I'm just gonna enhance that color as well and reflect it. So because there is a shadow there, so that side of the apple is in the shade, so that color is less vibrant, less bright. And now I'm just like I'm really like taking the real apple for inspiration, but I'm doing a lot of my own thing, a lot of like random strokes. I'm keeping it very loose, very experimental, and I think that what makes this apple so vibrant and looking so natural. And yeah, so I hope you like the result. So I would, for the beginners, I would advise not to be too strict with yourself, so you can make it reflect the apple the way you want. So as you can see, I'm not entirely like 100% following how the apple looks like in reality. I have the idea, I have it as a reference, but then here and there I'm doing my own variation of this apple. So yeah, so now it's almost 5 minutes drawing the sketch. So this is what you can get in 5 minutes from start to finish. Yeah, I love it. I think it's looking great. It's very happy apple, very colorful, very juicy, and very summery. Enjoy creating the same drawing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.